Gledate Gorenjska poročila na GIF TV.
It's very nice to be here in Slovenia, and it's my first time in Slovenia, but it's very warm welcome, and it's good to be here in the home of the Carniolan bee.
Je to prvi obisk v Sloveniji?
So yes, this is my first visit to Slovenia, and I'm Pettis. I'm the president of Apimondia, which is a worldwide beekeeping organization, and it's just a really pleasure to be here in Slovenia at the home of the Carniolan bee, and it's been a very warm welcome so far.
Imate tudi v Ameriki precej čebelarskih muzejev?
So actually no, it's very surprising. We don't have such attention to bees, maybe because honeybees aren't native to the North America, but in any case, you've done a very nice job of promoting bees and promoting beekeeping. So no, in the US we don't have such museums, such nice museums.
V Sloveniji je Čebelarski muzej v Radovljici in ima zelo dolgoletno tradicijo. Antona Janše je od tega že kar 250 let od njegove smrti.
So certainly he was one of the founders of early beekeeping, and I know he's very important for this country, but also for all of Europe. So he was a founding, very knowledgeable beekeeper and writer, and it's just nice that you still honor his thing and that you work so hard to promote World Bee Day, which was based on his birthday.
In kaj menite o slovenskem čebelarstvu?
So first of all, I know, because I've had some Carniolan bees in the US, that the bees themselves are very beautiful, very gentle, and also just the long history of beekeeping in Slovenia. It's really ingrained in the people, from the honey breakfast and everything. It's just part of the tradition of Slovenia, so it's nice. I'm looking forward to seeing more hives with the painted fronts in the buildings, so it'll be good to see more of the Slovenia beekeeping.
Tokrat v muzeju gostite posebnega gosta iz Amerike. Obenem pa letos mineva 250 let od smrti Antona Janša in 20 let od Apimondije.
Res je, danes je za Čebelarski muzej prav poseben svečan dan. Gostimo dr. Jeffa Pettisa, to je predsednik Apimondije iz Amerike. Apimondija je v bistvu največja čebelarska krovna organizacija na svetu in združuje vsa čebelarska združenja, čebelarje celega sveta. Zato smo res zelo počaščeni, da nas je obiskal ob priložnosti, kot ste že povedala, 250-letnice smrti Antona Janše in pa tudi mineva 20 let od prve Apimondije v Sloveniji, to je bila leta 2003. To nekako poteka vse pod okriljem Čebelarske zveze Slovenije. Dr. Jeff Pettis pa je obiskal danes naš Čebelarski muzej.
Bo tudi obiskal predsednika Čebelarske zveze Slovenije v Ljubljani?
Program dr. Pettisa je zelo obširen, spoznal bo tako Gorenjsko, Štajersko, Dolenjsko, nekaj velikih čebelarstv, muzejev, tudi precej kulturne dediščine. Danes bomo gledali tudi Janšov čebelnjak in pa Bled.